So lovely, so lovely. It's very good, very well done. Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. Today I have few more attars from Kashti. Kashti is an actual natural fragrances, kind of niche natural fragrances maker, Divya Taravedi from India. So I was waiting for these attars and perfumes for a long time. So let's test an attar over here which is called Musk Gardenia. So let's find out what it has. Ooh, jasmine. I'm sniffing a lot of jasmine over here. So I'm going to apply it on different, sides of my hand. So let's apply it on my finger because I have to test three of them in this series of videos. So let's find out which is Musk Gardenia from Kashti. It is like you have entered a garden that is wet and it has a lot of florals. You are sniffing different florals that are, they have the combined essence. So the scent profile or scent accord is actually a lot of florals together. Oh, this is really lovely. So if you like floral fragrances, I'm laughing because whenever your senses they get triggered or you get kind of like emotional touch to any fragrance or attar, you are going to get a giggle or laugh. So this is kind of like that kind of creation. This is really good. This is so good. I'm telling you, if you like florals or musk fragrances, if you are a woman, even if you are a man, this is a very lovely fragrance. It has some light animalic note that is actually bounding all those florals down. So it is keeping them down. It is not letting them, pierce into your mind, because sometimes when the floral notes are very high pitched, they are going to give you a headache. So right now this is not a headache. This is a really lovely balance of musk, florals and animalics. So lovely, so lovely. It's very good, very well done, very good balanced. I'm sensing some jasmine into it, but the other florals I cannot pinpoint because I haven't sniffed most of the florals separately. But it is better than a bouquet of flowers. It is really well done attar. Very lovely. So now I'm going to rate this Musk Gardenia from Kashti Fragrances. This is so amazingly done. So I would rate it 9 out of 10 for scent profile. Very lovely. Even I would give it 10 out of 10. I mostly hate florals, and most of the florals, they give me headache. This one is brilliantly done. Performance, I think it is going to perform good because it has jasmine in it and musk. So I think it is going to perform at least 3 to 4 hours on your skin. So this is a great performance for a natural fragrance or natural attars. So this is my review about Musk Gardenia from Kashti Fragrances. Really lovely scent. If you want to visit a garden that is musky, that is really lovely, you have to test this out. You have to get this. This is really lovely. If I have the money, I think I would have bought like 3 or 4 fragrances and this attar at least. So this is my review about Musk Gardenia from Kashti Perfumes. I hope you are going to enjoy this. If you want to buy or purchase Kashti Fragrances or attars, natural attars, you can see the link in the description. I'm also going to show the website over here and also the link, so you can follow on the screen. And I will meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye and assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.